Okay, here's your NERF Gun and let's shoot it. See. Oh, what? Oops, got jammed. That was how you use it too fast. Got it unclosed. And, oops. Oh man, what? Okay. Darn bullets. Oh what? Oh they. And and I got ammo. For the ammo. Look right in the trigger of the gun, and then you pull this out. Take your my foot. Take your drum. Slide the bullet in. And then you got yourself a spare bullet in the boys. Lock, load, and shoot. Everyone get all 25 drums, but anyway, now show you how to use this motorized gun. I just gotta load up these bullets first. So, in this one, it holds at least, its drum holds 10 bullets in it, and this one has no pump. I guess you guess what? I guess you can figure out what this kind of gun is. It's one of those special ones. You know, like say battery powered. Now anyway, like I was saying, this thing uses 10 drums, or 10 bullets actually, and the trigger is locked. Let you pull, see here. This little switch back. You see a word there, and then fire rapid with 10 bullets. Oh, man, we can. Well, anyway, that's my gun. So yeah. That's it.